If you're looking for a fresh new take on pork, look no further. 1 part Razzle, 1 part Dazzle, and the secret ingredient, root beer. We're making Razzle-Dazzle pork today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
About a century ago, root beer was considered to be a cure-all, sort of how many people feel about CBD today. It was touted as a remedy that could reduce inflammation, cleanse our skin, and even help with blood flow. The ingredient credited for all these benefits was the root of the sassafras plant, hence the name root beer. These days, rather than buying in a pharmacy like many of our grandparents had to do, we can find it just about anywhere. And since it has such a big, bold taste, it's the perfect addition to the dish we're making today. We start by searing a seasoned pork butt until all sides are browned. And you can do this in a skillet or your pressure cooker if it has that option. Now we place this on a rack in an Instant Pot or pressure cooker along with a mixture we made by combining some chili sauce, Worcestershire sauce, hot pepper sauce, and a bottle of root beer. After securing the lid, we set the timer for 1 hour and let it do its thing. Once the pressure has released, we chunk it up and serve it with some cornbread smothered with all that flavor-packed sauce. To get the recipe for our Razzle-Dazzle root beer pork, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a flavor-packed way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.